Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars here in Addison, Illinois. Today I have a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle LS3 Pro Touring Restomod, guys. This car is finished in a beautiful red paint, base coat, clear coat on a laser straight rock solid body, guys. This Chevelle has, as you can see, black SS stripes buried deep in the clear coat, and jams are all painted. Very, very nice on this car. As you can see there, just beautiful, beautiful craftsmanship. This is a built LS3 6.2 liter engine. It's got an aftermarket camshaft, lifters, and spring kit. The sheet metal intake manifold and also 102 millimeter throttle body. You got stainless steel headers, Holley Terminator X software management kit, and it's all backed up by a 4L80E, E meaning electronic, okay, overdrive transmission. The rear end on the car is a 12 bolt 373 Posi unit. This car has Wilwood disc brakes, as you guys can see there, okay, on the front. And the back has also disc brakes, Wilwood. So our four-wheel disc brakes. Vintage air conditioning. Let me go back here. The vintage air conditioning. Aluminum radiator with dual electric fans, as you guys can see. This car sits on a beautiful set of torque thrust American Racing chrome wheels with the Cooper Cobra Radial Tires. Now, if you guys want a different set of tires, and we can keep these, that's not a problem. It just depends on what aftermarket wheel you want us to install, if that's something that you guys are looking for, okay? Underneath is super, super nice on the car, guys. This car has a Magnaflow dual exhaust with the SS tips out in the back. Let me show you guys those in the correct location, and it does sound incredible. It will be fired up in a few minutes here. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. Red bucket interior on the seats. Factory console, horseshoe shifter, or they call it the staple shifter, okay? Shiftworks gate plate to maintain factory shifter, but have detent for the overdrive, okay? You see that? So it's an aftermarket. It's got the 1, 2, 3, and then the overdrive. It's not how they came factory, but someone reproduced a plate like that and added the 4th speed overdrive, because now a lot of guys are using that overdrive transmission, like for better gas mileage and cruising on the freeways and stuff like that. All of the gauges have been replaced. Okay, as you guys can see, they're all autometer white gauges behind the factory dash. The I Did It stainless tilt steering column, polished Chevrolet steering wheel. I do have two-way remote start with power locks on this car. Great upgrade, never came that way. JVC stereo system on the car, power steering as well, guys. Now, let me just close all the doors and everything here. I want you guys to see it in its form. You got the hood pins as well. All the doors line up really nice. Hood lines up. Trunk lines up. Super solid trunk, restored condition. Got your battery back here. Full quarters installed. They did a really nice job. All the chrome looks excellent on the car. So just an overcap, guys. This is one of This is one sweet, sweet 70 Chevelle Restomod. The LS3 has a ton of power, yet you can cruise a car coast to coast with all your modern amenities, guys. This thing's a blast to drive, gets a lot of attention wherever it goes. The iconic 70 Chevelle, I don't have to tell you this, guys, is one of the most sought after muscle cars. Metal on the car looks very straight. Like I said, it's been redone, and it's my magnet sticks everywhere on this car, guys. It's really, really sweet. Clear title, clean and clear title in hand, guys. Trade-ins are welcome. I do take trade-ins. I own over 200 cars in our showroom. We got a 35,000 square foot building full of cars here, 2 buildings actually. Now, I'll show you the other one later on. There's a list of upgrades that you guys can get for this car. We do install all of our parts here. One of them is LED side mirrors, okay? So what I mean is these side mirrors here, okay? They sell them now with the LED turn signals in the mirror that light up. That kit costs $600 installed. We can do LED front headlights, LED rear tail lights. Those are $500 a set. If you guys need ceramic coating, I would highly recommend it to protect the paint. We do that for about $1,000. It's a really good price. Electric cutouts are pretty cool. A lot of guys are doing that right now, $1,500 installed. Power windows, if you guys wanted that, we can install that for about $2,000. So whatever you want to do on this car, we can roll that into your loan, and I'm going to explain that to you guys shortly. So just a couple little further things I want to go a little closer and share with you. You got excellent door lips here, guys. This is all factory pinch weld right underneath there, no rot, beautiful restoration, nice interior. It's got the SS emblem that's been added on there, the SS rubber floor mats, beautiful bucket seats, back and front, nice package tray, tight headliner. And we went over everything in here already. Like I said, all the weather stripping, super clean and super nice, guys. I'm gonna fire this up. We'll go for a test drive. Get ready. Ready? I know I am. Favorite part of the freaking day for me, man. All right. So we're coming out of the building here at 150 South Church in Addison, Illinois, 60101. This building to my right, the brown building. Second from last door is my detail shop. The last door there that's open. That is my service department. We have mechanics on staff 6 days a week. So we do work on our cars as well. Some of our outdoor inventory to your right. Some of these cars are inbound, outbound. And all of these in front of me as well, guys. So here we have 35,000 square feet of indoor showroom. There's more cars to my right and my left that are upcoming. That's our main entrance to the far right with our logo. All of the cars we own. And we put our money where our mouth is, guys. As you can hear, the horn functions. You got your wipers working, left turn signal works, right turn signal works, you got tilt wheel, Your lights work, fuel gauge, speedo, RPM, temp gauge, oil pressure, volts, stereo, heat and air. You got your Terminator X set up here in the front of the shifter. Beautiful, beautiful headliner, nice interior. So this is the new thing with these LS, man. In the last, 15 years, they've been dominating the muscle car market. So reliable, you know. How can you not do it? The temperament on this setup is excellent. Very easy to drive. One finger on the steering wheel. Nice power steering, straight down the road. And if you want, it's a monster when you hit the throttle. That Magnaflow system is awesome on this car. Love it. Brakes feel excellent. Gonna make a right-hand turn here, guys. It looks like it's 80 degrees, but it's not. It's like 40. Holy shit! I don't know why I always say those darn words, man, when I hit the throttle. Why? It gets me excited. I'm sorry. I get a little nuts. Woo! Tracks down the road really nice. Steering feels tight on the car. I love this thing. It's got everything you want, guys. Everything you need. Great for long touring. Got a nice big trunk in the back if you wanted to put your luggage. Go to the Hot Rod Power Tour. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy life. It's short. Yeah, I don't have to tell you. You guys already know that. We'll talk about financing, guys. We'll talk about delivery a little bit. The quality of the car is excellent. I mean, I really love this car. That's my opinion. I've been doing this for 26 years. I'm going to go around this turn a little aggressive, so hold on. If I do a 360, I'm sorry, but here we go. Make sure there's no cops here, then I'll turn around and nail it. That's what I do. Anyway. Alright. I mean, this thing does everything you want it to do, so. Let's go. I'm going to turn around right here, pop this thing in reverse. No weird noises going down the road, no squeaks, nothing like that. I hope there's no cops. Oh! I don't know, 100 miles an hour? Woo! Man, I love this job. I better get out of here before the cops really do show up. I'm just gonna pop a U-turn and get back to the shop here, guys. Dukes of Hazzard, this thing. I drive them like I stole them, okay? This is what these things are built to do. All right, we're gonna head back here. This is our building again at 150 South Church in Addison, Illinois. I'm 25 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport. Come on down, and I welcome you. We'll go for a test drive. As long as it's dry outside, I'll take you guys for a ride. You guys can check out for yourself. I highly recommend it. It's fun. We'll talk about financing and delivery here. We're going to pull into the main service department here, guys. This is where we, let me see if I can squeeze in here. This is where we do all our service work. We'll get the car up on the lift. And then we'll talk a little further. Isn't that nice? How nice is that? How nice is that? Look at that. How nice is that? So we'll get the car up on the lift, gentlemen, and show you how nice and clean that thing is underneath. Here are some of the other cars that are inbound, ready for outbound or repair. Some of the cars here that are for sale. As you guys can see, this is our service department. Everyone's busy, everyone's working. Got a lot of projects going on here. So you're in good hands, guys. You're in very good hands here at MGM. Now listen, if you do have a car, that you already own and you need any type of automotive upgrades, repairs, we can pick up your car. I don't care if you're in Puerto Rico, Hawaii. We'll pick it up, bring it over here, service your vehicles, build them, whatever you like to do. We're going to head back to the main showroom here, guys, and I'll talk a little bit about the financing. This is another Chevelle that we just got in as well. It's coming soon on our website. So if you need financing, it's not a problem. If your credit score is, we made a mess in here. If your credit score is 630 to a 770, okay, you guys will need about $8,000 down on this car. Long-term financing, low payments. You will need good credit. Rates start at about 8%. You can find the application at mgmclassiccars.com, guys. Some of our other inventory pieces here at MGM. If your credit score is 775 or higher, I have a no money down unsecured loan option. You guys can call me and I can give you the direct link to my lender for that. All right. If you need delivery, call or text me, guys, with your zip code. My number is 847-848-1850. I'll get you a quote right away. Guys, gals, thanks for watching. MGM.